Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Claude 3.7 Sonnet giving worse results than expected. If Claude 3.7 Sonnet isn't producing the quality of responses you expected, the issue isn't always the model itself. In many cases, response quality is affected by how your application is configured, how requests are constructed, or how responses are processed after they're returned by the API. Before assuming the model is underperforming, it's worth checking that your application is using the recommended request settings and handling the response correctly. In this guide, you'll enable the model's thinking configuration, simplify your prompting approach, and verify that your application is correctly processing the response returned by the API. The first step is to open your terminal. Begin by running the provided script that explicitly enables the thinking configuration. This script updates your backend API request payload to include the appropriate thinking configuration block. Including this configuration allows your application to request the model's enhanced reasoning capabilities when supported by your setup. After applying the update, save your changes and verify that your application is sending the revised request payload before continuing. Next, review how you're prompting the model. Return to your terminal. Run the provided command that stops micromanaging the prompt. Overly detailed or overly restrictive prompts can sometimes make it harder for the model to produce its best response. Instead of directing every small step of the reasoning process, provide clear objectives, relevant context, and any important constraints while allowing the model flexibility in how it approaches the task. Well-structured prompts are generally clear, concise, specific, context-rich, focused on the desired outcome. Avoid unnecessary repetition or excessive instructions that don't contribute to the actual task. Once your prompts have been simplified, the final step is to verify how your application processes Claude's responses. Still inside your terminal, run the provided command that stops stripping thinking blocks. This update ensures your front end doesn't accidentally remove important portions of the API response during processing. The accompanying changes also verify that your application's parsing logic correctly iterates through the response array and extracts the final content block from the API response. If the parsing logic isn't implemented correctly, your application may display incomplete or unexpected output even though Claude generated the correct response. After making these changes, save your project and run your application again. Test the same prompts that previously produced unsatisfactory results and compare the responses after updating your request configuration and response handling. If everything has been configured correctly, you should see more consistent and complete outputs from your application. It is important to understand that response quality depends not only on the model itself, but also on how your application communicates with it. Configuration, prompt design, and response parsing all contribute to the final result presented to the user. To summarize, improving Claude 3.7 Sonnet's results begins by updating your backend request payload to include the provided thinking configuration block, so the model is invoked with the intended reasoning settings where supported. Next, simplify your prompts by avoiding unnecessary micromanagement and focusing on clear objectives and relevant context. Finally, update your front end so it no longer strips important response sections and verify that your parsing logic correctly iterates through the response array to extract the final content block before displaying it to the user. High-quality results depend on the entire request pipeline, not just the model itself. By combining proper request configuration, thoughtful prompt design, and reliable response parsing, you can ensure your application gets the most consistent and accurate performance from Claude while avoiding issues caused by application-level configuration or processing errors. And that's how to troubleshoot Claude 3.7 Sonnet when the results aren't meeting your expectations. By enabling the appropriate reasoning configuration, simplifying your prompts, and ensuring your application correctly processes the API response, you can eliminate common implementation issues and help your application consistently produce higher quality outputs. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.